is a common dilemma for service-based businesses. While online booking systems are fantastic for streamlining your schedule and giving clients 24/7 access to your availability, they can sometimes bring unwanted attention. A smooth, efficient booking process is what we all strive for, but what happens when that ease of access is exploited or simply isn't working for you with a particular individual? This isn't just about minor inconveniences. Repeat no-shows can significantly impact your revenue and waste valuable time. Spam bookings can clutter your calendar and make it difficult to manage legitimate appointments. And sometimes it's just about maintaining a healthy professional boundary. You have the right to choose who you work with, and your scheduling tool should empower that choice. For a long time, many online scheduling platforms lacked robust features to handle these specific situations. Businesses often had to resort to manual workarounds, like meticulously checking names against a blacklist, or simply canceling appointments as they came in, a reactive and often frustrating approach. This could lead to awkward conversations, or worse, a continued cycle of wasted time and resources. Imagine the time saved if you could proactively prevent these issues at the source. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your calendar is populated only with clients who genuinely value your time and services. This is where the power of a block customer feature comes into play. It's about giving you, the business owner or service provider, complete control over your schedule. It's about protecting your time, your services, and ultimately your bottom line. Because let's be honest, every minute counts when you're building and managing your business. You want to focus on delivering excellent service, not on chasing down no-shows or dealing with disruptive bookings. So let's get straight to the point. Can you block someone from booking on Setmore? The answer is a resounding yes. Setmore has introduced a block customer feature designed specifically to address these concerns. This is great news for anyone who uses Setmore, especially those who have experienced the frustrations we just talked about. This feature gives you the power to curate your client list and ensure that only those you wish to serve can book time with you through your online booking page. Now, let's dive into the specifics of how this works, because understanding the mechanics is key to effectively utilizing this tool. The block customer feature in Setmore is available on their Pro and Team plans, which is an important detail to note. If you're on the free plan, you'll need to consider upgrading to access this functionality. It's a small investment that can yield significant returns in terms of time saved and reduced frustrations. When you block a customer in Setmore, they will no longer be able to book appointments through your public-facing booking page using their saved email address or telephone number. This is crucial. The block is tied to their contact information. Therefore, to make this feature truly effective, it's highly recommended to make the email address and/or phone number a required field during your booking process. This ensures that Setmore can accurately identify and block the specific individual you want to prevent from booking. If a blocked customer tries to book using a different email address or phone number that isn't linked to their blocked profile, the booking will unfortunately go through. So, emphasizing the use of required contact fields is a vital best practice. It's also important to understand what blocking a customer doesn't do. When you block someone, their records or appointment history are not deleted. They will still appear in your customer list for reference, which can be useful for historical data or if you ever decide to unblock them in the future. Furthermore, blocking a customer does not cancel any existing appointments they might already have on your calendar. Those appointments will remain scheduled as usual. You'll simply see a blocked tag next to their name in the appointment details, making it easy to identify. Similarly, blocked customers will continue to receive appointment reminders for any bookings they already have. The feature is about preventing new bookings, not disrupting existing ones. So, how do you actually go about blocking a customer in Setmore? It's a straightforward process, whether you're using the web app or the mobile app. On the Setmore web app, navigate to the Customers section in your Setmore account. Select the customer you wish to block from the list. Once on their customer profile, look for the 3 dots, vertical ellipsis, in the upper right corner of their profile. Click on these. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Block Customer. You'll then be prompted to confirm your selection. Confirm, and the customer will be blocked. On the Setmore mobile app, go to the Customers section in your app. Select the customer you'd like to block. Tap the pencil icon in the upper right corner of their profile. Choose Block Customer from the drop-down menu. Confirm your selection when prompted. Once a customer is blocked, if they try to book an appointment through your booking page, they won't receive a direct notification stating they've been blocked. Instead, they'll see a pop-up message indicating that their booking couldn't be confirmed. This subtle approach helps avoid potentially awkward or confrontational situations. Who has the power to block or unblock customers in Setmore? Generally, roles with administrative privileges, such as the owner/admin and enhanced users, can manage blocked customers. Standard users can see a customer's blocked status but won't be able to make changes to it. This hierarchical access control is a good security measure, ensuring that only authorized personnel can manage who books appointments. And finally, you might be wondering if there's a limit to how many customers you can block. Setmore does not impose a limit on the number of customers you can block. You can block as many as you need to ensure your schedule runs smoothly and efficiently. This flexibility is incredibly valuable for businesses of all sizes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.